Did you know that regular toothpaste can be your secret weapon for household problems? From cleaning stubborn stains to polishing silver, this everyday bathroom essential has some amazing hidden powers. We'll show you clever toothpaste hacks that will make your life easier and save you money. Let's go! If your iron leaves marks on clothes, regular toothpaste will help remove buildup from the Soleplate. Wait until the iron has completely cooled down. Unplug it for safety. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the iron Soleplate and carefully scrub the dirty areas with a brush. Remove toothpaste residue with a damp cloth. Wipe dry. Tired of limescale buildup on faucets? Let's make an effective homemade cleaning solution. Mix toothpaste and lemon juice in a small container until you get a uniform consistency. Apply the mixture to the dirty areas of the faucets and leave it for a few minutes, then rinse off the remaining solution with water. To restore shine to tarnished silver, apply a small amount of toothpaste to the jewelry. Gently clean the item with a toothbrush. Rinse the jewelry with warm water and wipe with a soft cloth. This method is only suitable for pure silver. Don't use it for rhodium-plated items. Insert a screw through the center of a toothbrush. Secure the screw in a power drill and cut off the toothbrush handle. Apply toothpaste to the bristles. Turn on the drill at low speed and carefully clean the sneaker soles. Wipe the shoes with a damp cloth. Don't press too hard to avoid damaging the shoe material. Apply a tiny drop of toothpaste to the picture hanging hook. Place the picture against the wall in the chosen spot and press slightly. A mark will remain on the wall. This is exactly where you need to drill the hole for mounting. Try to restore an old CD using toothpaste. Apply paste to the disc surface and carefully wipe the disc with a soft cloth using movements from center to edge. Never wipe in circles. Rinse off the paste with water and dry. Cut off the bottom sealed edge of the tube. Remove the cap and insert it into the created opening. Use a stick or pencil to press on the cap and push it up the tube. The remaining paste will easily squeeze out through the top opening. Regular toothpaste will help remove marker stains. Apply a small amount of paste and gently rub the surface with a clean cloth. Remove paste residue with a damp wipe. Carefully squeeze all the paste to the top of the tube and tightly roll the empty part of the tube into a spiral. Secure the rolled part with a large paper clip. Now the paste will stay at the tube's neck and will be easy to squeeze out. Toothpaste will help eliminate unpleasant odors on hands after cleaning fish. Squeeze a small amount of paste onto wet palms and wash your hands as you would with regular soap. If you need to seal an envelope urgently and have no glue handy, use toothpaste by applying a thin layer to the envelope flap. Tip: use very little paste to avoid ruining the envelope and its contents. Small defects in sealing molding can be easily masked with toothpaste. Simply fill the scratch or dent with a small amount of white paste and smooth the surface. For minor burns, toothpaste can help reduce pain sensation. The paste will create a cooling effect and reduce discomfort. But for severe burns, seek medical attention immediately. It's best to immediately place the burned area under cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's use toothpaste to the last drop. Cut off the bottom sealed edge of the tube with scissors. Make a cut along the side of the tube. Dip your brush directly into the open tube. Let's prepare an effective cleaning solution for bathroom fixtures or tiles. Mix toothpaste and Coca-Cola in a spray bottle. Shake well until uniform. Spray the solution on dirty surfaces. Leave for a few minutes. Wipe with a sponge or brush and rinse with water. To improve visibility through scratched swimming goggles, apply toothpaste to the lenses and carefully wipe. Done, underwater visibility will become clearer. You can clean or remove small scratches from a phone screen using toothpaste. Apply a small amount of paste to the screen and very carefully rub with a soft cloth in circular motions. Wipe the screen with a slightly damp cloth, then dry. Let's make a convenient sponge for cleaning tea dishes. Cut a small hole in the side of a regular dishwashing sponge. Squeeze some toothpaste inside the sponge. Gently squeeze the sponge to distribute the paste. Wipe the dirty surfaces of dishes in circular motions and rinse off the paste with water. Let's quickly remove fresh stains from fabric using toothpaste. Apply a small amount of paste to the stained area. Carefully rub the paste into the stain in circular motions. Rinse the fabric in cool water. If necessary, wash the item as usual. Let's restore whiteness to sneakers and laces using toothpaste. First, let's work on the shoes. Apply paste to the sneaker surface. Thoroughly scrub with a brush in circular motions. Wipe with a damp cloth. Now for the laces, pour warm water into a container. Add toothpaste and place the laces in. Mix the solution well with the laces. Rinse the laces in clean water. Let's restore whiteness to yellowed cables using toothpaste. Apply a small amount of paste to a dry, clean cloth. Wrap the cloth around the cable and pull it through while applying gentle pressure. Make sure paste doesn't get into the cable connectors. Take aluminum wire and bend it in half. Use pliers to pinch both ends of the wire together so they fit tightly. Put this tool on the end of the tube. Move the wire down toward the neck, pushing the paste forward. Apply toothpaste to a small wound to reduce discomfort. For serious cuts, clean the wound with antiseptic and use proper medical supplies. And this is one of the methods for cleaning glass. Regular soot has abrasive properties and when mixed with toothpaste can help clean buildup from glass, for example from a phone camera. But if you have special glass cleaner, it's better to use that. Let's restore perfect shine to a mirror. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the mirror surface. Wipe with a dry soft cloth in circular motions and polish with a dry clean cloth until shiny. Use white paste without abrasive particles to avoid scratching the glass. You can clean and polish sunglasses and regular glasses lenses the same way. Use only white paste without abrasives. To prevent wood from cracking when driving in a screw, apply a little toothpaste to it. The paste will act as lubricant and the screw will go into the wood more smoothly. This method is especially useful for dry or hard wood. Fun prank with Oreo cookies. Carefully separate the cookie into two halves. Replace the white filling with toothpaste. Put the halves back together. Make sure your friend isn't allergic to toothpaste ingredients. Such pranks are best done only with close friends who will understand the humor. Let's make a fun stress relief toy with an unusual effect. Put a balloon over a toothpaste tube. Squeeze the paste into the balloon. Pour Coca-Cola into the balloon with paste. Quickly tie the balloon with a knot. Be careful, the mixture may be under pressure. Do this experiment outdoors or in the bathroom to avoid mess.